Hi, I'm Rie. I'm a tasty producer. Today I'm making super cute Japanese food sample. So my profession is cooking. I have been cooking professionally in a restaurant kitchen and I've been cooking for tasty videos. I'm not good at DIY. I always struggle building IKEA furniture, but I feel like you just have to make food pretty and that I'm good at, so I'd try my best. A lot of Japanese restaurants, they use this kind of fake food as a display so they can keep it forever. I've grown up in Japan, so like fake food is everywhere. What I remember the most is like ice cream shop. You know, obviously you can not display ice cream because it's melt. So they display ice cream cone and like ice cream, like different flavors and different colors and kind of showing customers what they got. But if you travel Japan, like you will see this everywhere, like ramen shop or like coffee shop or especially like a little bit old-timey restaurant, they use this a lot. Okay, let's get started. Today we are making ramen and this kit is from Japan. Let's see. All right, so I got some instruction. I think those are the soup. Feel like how do you call those, like fake boob? Like implant? Well, I never touched fake boob, but I feel like this is probably what it feels like. Styrofoam bowl, noodles. Oh, those are cute. Chashu and Naruto. I feel like Naruto is essential for ramen. And it's so cute. Look like an 8-minute egg. Perfect for ramen. And menma, which is bamboo shoot, but it's kind of stuck together. That's all. Oh no. There, it's like slice of scallions. All right, first I think I have to read the instruction. It comes with English and Japanese. So I'm gonna read the Japanese instruction. So first I have to get warm water, 42 degree to 45 degree. Okay, so I got warm water, which is 118 Fahrenheit. And then I'm going to soak all the toppings in the water. I think I shouldn't have broke it. It's saying you don't need to warm it up. Eggs and scallions? Wonder why. Okay, so the reason we have to soak bamboo shoot is I have to cut it and separate it. The reason I have to soak this pork and fish cake, Naruto, it look a little more natural if we soak it. So let's follow the instruction. Yeah, it's getting softer. I'm going to cut this. Look real. Feels like it made out of wax. It looks like a candle or something. I just had ramen yesterday, so I try to remember what it looked like. They also have a tip. If you twist bamboo shoot, it looks like more realistic. I feel like this is already looking like real. They are saying I have to leave it in hot water. So next, noodles. I make a lot of like crafty food video. I made a Game of Thrones cookies, Emmy-inspired cupcakes. So I made a handmade tail cupcakes and stuff. But I rarely make not edible craft. Last thing I made something crafty. I feel like I made a necklace, like clay necklace, like 3 years ago. I don't wear that at all. This almost look like, oh. So soft. Okay, so I think water temperature is good and I'm going to soften it, trying to put noodle look like a little more realistic looking, like real ramen. My favorite ramen is Shio ramen and it's very difficult to find in the States, but tonkotsu is a little heavy for me, so yeah, shoyu or shio ramen is my favorite. Before you soak in the water, it almost looks like a uncooked spaghetti. But once you soften it, it becomes cooked pasta. Hope I'm doing right. I think this ramen, just like guessing from the color of the soup, I think this is shoyu ramen, which is one of my favorite. And it's kind of like a food styling 101. You kind of want to make it a little higher. So I think this is what I'm gonna try to do. So next step is putting a topping, and it says use a candle. Come with this package, but I didn't see any candle. I didn't see this at all, but it was in a bag of egg. So they also saying put toothpick so you won't burn yourself. That's smart. I'm gonna just, first I'm going to see how I want to topping. Usually bamboo shoot is staying in together, like same spot. When do I put soup? This makes me hungry. But I can't eat. It doesn't have any specific instruction how you do it, so I'm gonna just roll with it. Looks tasty. So I'm going to start melting candle and glue it. This candle idea, I'm not sure if this is the greatest idea. I'm not sure if it's sticking. Unfortunately, it's not working because it's not sticking. Oh, this one stick. Okay, so there is another tip on the instruction. It said if you have a super glue, this process is easier. So I'm gonna just go for it. So this is my topping. I think it looks pretty. Makes me hungry. Okay, so next I'm going to make soup. I need boiling water and I have to just put them until it melts. And there is 2 soup and I'm gonna just melt one, wait 1 hour until it's set, and then pour second one. All right. It's gonna be hot, so the instruction said use gloves. It was very stiff before I put in a hot water. It looked like a little bit more liquidy. And the instruction said melt completely. Okay, I think it's ready. The temperature seems very important. It has to be less than 50 Celsius. If it's hotter, it might melt. How do I check the temperature? Should I cut and stab it? Maybe I should. If I touch this, that's it show. Because I cannot open, because I have to open this part. Okay, I'm gonna go for it. If it melts, it melts. Gonna insert in between the noodles. I'm a little worried because it's hot. Okay, so let me do this because I'm afraid it's gonna be too hot. So this one is 134. I think we should wait a little bit. Okay, so it's 128. Should be fine. It's a little bit thicker, but it looks like a soup. So this was my first soup, and I have to wait 1 hour to set, and I'm gonna pour second soup. So we'll be back in an hour, and stay tuned. Right, we are back, and it's been 1 hour, and let's move on to the next step. We had to make sure the soup is completely set, and it looked like set. So I'm going to pour the second soup. I watched on YouTube there might be a fake food class in Japan as well. You can make your own fake food. This is just a display purpose, but I've seen a lot of practical fake food. I think it's melted. Kind of look like something in a hospital. Yeah, everything I do right now, it's kind of look like a medical operation. Right, so I'm gonna pour. Oh, no, I spilled. The color is very realistic. I think I shouldn't touch other food object. If you go to Japan, in Tokyo, there is a district called Kappabashi, and they sell a bunch of like cooking tools and fake food. So if you want to buy one of them, go to Kappabashi and you can have fake food. Also, there is an air bubble. So in the instruction, if you see air bubble, you can kind of touch with lighter, but we don't want to do it. Right, I think we are done. Oh wait, I have scallions. Okay, this is the final touch. Right, I'm done. It was a lot of like melting and piling up. The closest thing about cooking was maybe plating. It's pretty different from cooking and doing this craft. I can tell this is not real food, but let's see if somebody hungry enough to think this is a real food. And let's see.
Hey Ryan.
Yes?
I have ramen for you.
Thank you. Cool. Wow. Naruto. And what the heck though? Oh, you faked this. It's not real. You hurt my feelings now.
Did you think it was real?
I kind of did.
Really?
I mean, I'm not very observant though.
Right, thank you for watching me making fake food, and comment below how you want to use this fake food.